importance of the enzyme speeding up the reaction electronic transportation chain process of photosynthesis. Cell respiration is the process of producing adenine triphosphate and the main energy sources through an enzymatic reaction that releases energy. Process of photosynthesis. Cell obtain and use energy through the process of cellular respiration and photosynthesis. Cellular respiration form in this equation energy molecules of ATP, that is 6 ATP. The process of producing ATP energy is enzymatic reaction that release enough energy for life and existence in life. Mostly eukaryotic membrane of a kingdoms like fungi, plantae, protista, plantae, and kingdom of animalia cells survive in that. This process mostly occur inside the mitochondria cells, and food molecules such as glucose are used to create ATP energy, which creates a high glucose concentration. Glucose is equal to 1 glucose is equal to 36 ATP, and 1 triglyceride is equal to 146 ATP. Breaking down of a glucose occur in cytoplasm. Enzyme break down a glucose molecules into molecules which called ATP molecules and pyruphate molecules, depending on whether the oxygen is present. Pyruvates enter the mitochondria where they further broken down if the oxygen is absent, so pyruvates remains its position in the cytoplasm and it is further broken down during the fermentation. The Krebs cycle are mostly electronic transportation are incredibly important in the mitochondrial complexity in fluid interior. Several enzymes are broken down each pyruvate into carbon, ATP, NADH, AN, and fat are created in these molecules reactions. So important hydrogen carriers, and in the total we get 2 ATP. Electronic transportation of glycerol or Krebs cycle. It occurs in a membrane spaces of the mitochondria. Electronic are filtered into the block of membranes down. Water are diffused. Hydrogen diffusion high concentrated to the low concentration through ATP synthesis to help the bonding APD plus B to make ATP. Role of enzyme and how metabolic pathway are regulated. Metabolic is a chemical reaction that keeps organism alive. Metabolism include photosynthesis and digestion reaction that occur in the body, including making energy, repairing tissues, breaking down waste, and building proteins, sending hormones, and DNA replications. Enzymes are chemical reaction speeding up essential process in the body. Enzymes are catalyzed chemical reactions of life, which means they speed up. Absence of an enzyme will not metabolic process succeed or produce enough food. Okay, enzymes are initially protein, and protein are filtered from the amino acid. There are 20 amino acids and they can combine different ways to build a protein of any size within specific shapes that are suitable for the reactions. Okay, enzyme can be bound to the reactants in reactions. Each enzyme fits with a particular reaction like a log of a key shaped match. Product of a reaction are released by the enzyme, then the enzyme is unchanged. The reaction can be repeated in several times as long as it keeps its shapes. Each enzyme is designed to catalyze one type of a reaction, just like a key is designed to open a certain lock. Enzymes are needed to speed up synthesis and digestion reactions, catalysis of the metabolic activity that keeps in your cell life. Green plants can make their own food through the process of photosynthesis. Plant roots absorb water and mineral salt from the soil through the specialized tubes called stomata, transporting them into the part of the plant, especially leaves. Lower parts of the leaves has a special tube called stomata, and leaves absorb carbon dioxide from the environment through the stomata. Water and carbon dioxide molecules are absorbed by the chloroplast through the presence of chloroplast and sunlight. Okay. Cacti obtain energy from the sunlight through the process of photosynthesis. During the day, it absorbs sunlight with the green steams. At night time, open its tiny process of photosynthesis to take in carbon dioxide without losing much water. Cacti is used stored sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to make glucose, which is in sugar, providing energy for the growth. Finally, photosynthesis occurs inside the chloroplast of a plant, converting carbon dioxide and water into glucose using sunlight. When this glucose produced, other enzymes in the mitochondria helps breaking down to release the energy. Okay. Energy allowed plant to grow, repair tissues, and transport water, mineral from the roots to the leaves, and glucose from the leaves to the rest of the plant. Absence of an enzyme in photosynthesis will result in insufficient food production, and energy production is limited, and toxic substances may accumulate because the enzyme destroyed or break down the harmful molecules